Hi you guys, I'm gonna be filming a get ready with me in Cabo, but first we need a shower, so I'll be back to you guys. Hi you guys, I just got out the shower. Oh my god, I look crazy. I don't know how I'm gonna stand you guys. I'm gonna figure it out right now. Hi you guys. Oh my god, wait, am I crooked? I just got out the shower. I'm in Cabo. I'm pretty sure you guys know that, but if you guys don't, I'm in Cabo. But yeah, I just want, oh my god, oh, my camera just fell. But I just wanted to film a little quick get ready with me. We are going to go have a dinner at Sunset Mona Lisa. So I just wanted to take you guys along and show you guys my makeup that I've been doing in Cabo, because it is different than how I would do it in my normal LA home. So I'm putting on this Summer Fridays thing recommended me. It's like a good moisturizer. It's supposed to be like a night mask, but I've been using it as a moisturizer. But you guys, Cabo is so hot. I can't even explain it. Like, we were at the beach today and we were sweating. Can you guys tell I got a little tan? Only from my, oh my god, look at my face difference and my body difference. I'm so white from my face. So we're gonna let that sit in, and then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm actually gonna shave it a little bit because I feel like my eyebrow hairs are growing back in. I have a big mirror, but I'm so blind that I can't even see what I'm doing. Alright, I'm just shaving the top of my eyebrows. Like breaking out in Cabo. It's not cute. It's not cute. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Over here, what I do, I don't like to do my eyebrows too dark, especially since I just got them done. I just take my eyebrow pencil and I comb my hairs up. I know you've been dancing, dancing, dancing. So I'm just combing them up like that. And then I'm just gonna fill in the sparse areas. Alright, that will do. These are my favorite concealers, don't get it twisted. They're the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Y'all, these are so good. I have 3 of the different colors. Alright, I'm gonna take this one in 360 and I'm gonna just carve out my eyebrows a little bit just so they don't, oh damn, just so they don't like look too lost. But how's your guys' summer been? Before Cabo, what was I doing? I was just going to Disneyland. I'm going to Disneyland when I get back, you guys. Well, it's not confirmed yet, but I'm going because I have a pass. I'm just gonna like line them up with my original one. I'm looking a little crazy right now. We were just at the beach and then we went to the pool. You guys, you know there's McDonald's in Mexico, and I got a caja feliz, which is a happy meal. Like what? Alright, that gonna do. And then I'm gonna just drag it. Oh my god, and I got eyelash extensions, you guys. I didn't even tell you guys. Let me tell you. I got them at Mavlash and they are super good. I really like them. They're so good. I'm using this brush. It's my favorite brush ever. If you guys watch my other Get Ready With Me, you guys will see this brush. We're going for natural but still glam, I guess. I don't want it to go all the way down to my lash line because I got eyelash extensions. Oh my god. I'm going to BeautyCon. I'm going to BeautyCon. So if you guys want to catch me there, I'm going. Blue face, baby. Alright, I'm using the Soft Glam palette. I left mine at home because this color that I have in my Soft Glam, this is my aunt's. This color is literally out. Like, that's the color I used to set my brows. I mean, my like eyelids, and it's done with. And then for my eyeshadow, I'm using this Morphe E22 brush. Morphe, I'm using Morphe. I'm not sponsored, but this brush is really good. I'm gonna use Morphe. Oh my god, let me tell you guys. So we went to the mall, right? And we walk into the mall and there's a Morphe store, and my aunt goes, oh my god, look, Morphe. I'm gonna use Rustic and Burnt Orange, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my eyes, all over my lips and eyes and crease and everything. Oh wait, before I do that, I'm gonna use my primer. I haven't primed yet. I've been using this Nyx Bare with Me Hydrating Jelly Primer because y'all, my skin is oily. I mean I do have oily skin, but I also have dry skin. And while I was out here, like the beginning days, my skin was so dry. So So I wanted to try this out, and I actually really like it. Like, you see that? Oh my god, I want to show you guys my pimples. You guys see that? It's like literally jelly. So I grabbed some. I grab it on my finger. Oh, I grabbed a lot. And I'm just gonna. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, I grabbed a little too much. That could set in while I'm doing my eyes really quick. I grab my phone just in case Carlos texts me, so I can be like, what's up, baby? What's up, baby? Okay. Next on the list is finishing my eyes. This is so good. It feels so hydrating. It was like 15 bucks. I actually recommend this. I'm not sponsored. I'm actually not sponsored by any makeup brands. Now that I think about it, ColourPop wanted to work with me, but I was like, I don't think I want to post makeup like that. But this is how it looks like. And me, I'll little guys with you, put it all in my face. Eyes are finished. I kind of want to put like fairy on my eyelids. Bam. But alright, that didn't even make a difference, but whatever. I'm gonna do my makeup, my face makeup. So I've been using Nyx Bare With Me Tinted Skin Veil, and it's kind of whatever. I have to use it because I don't have foundation. I didn't bring no foundation, so it doesn't have no coverage, like nothing. I just put it on so I kind of have a base where I'm gonna put the concealer, so it's just like it comes off like foundation. There's like different colors. It comes off like foundation, like that, and then I just like rub it onto my skin. Oh my god, it looks bad right now, but like when people put it in, it does not look like that. Trust. You see, I didn't even do a difference. Just like if it was moisturizer, that's literally how I'm putting it. You see, it actually did cover some. It looks weird. I'm gonna fix it, trust. When I first put it on, I was like, what the hell is this shit? What the hell did this lady recommend me? I haven't even gotten sunburn. I wanted to do this video where I was just sunburn. Like, guys, look at my sunburn. Just my body's a little darker. I don't know if you guys can see like lines, but my face has not tanned for nothing. All right, next is concealer. I'm gonna use my favorite. All right, I'm gonna mix colors 360 Cashmere and 355 Vanilla under my eyes. More coverage down there. This is a more full coverage foundation in cabo. But like when we're like at the beach and stuff, I don't wear makeup and I'm still not tanning for my face. Like, I just do not understand how I'm not wearing makeup and I still don't tan. I wish I could just be like, yeah, it's gonna be super natural, but I can't. Especially if it's for dinner, I want to look more done up, you know. I'm just gonna blend it in using this morphine brush that has been my fave. It does not have a name. Gold collection. I got it for Christmas. It's so pretty. Here's it all in, all buffed out. I sound like such a good girl. All buffed out. Do I look white compared to my body? I do. I don't think it'll make that much of a difference. It doesn't in the mirror, but on camera, I feel like looking at camera just always makes stuff worse. Then I'm gonna take my favorite powder ever in the whole world. I bought the Laura Mercier powder, like the glitter one, like the glow one, and it literally sucks butt. Like, my aunt was like, oh my god, it sucks, and I was like, she's probably exaggerating. And then I tried it on and it's so bad. I do not recommend that to nobody. It can literally be used as a loose highlighter. Like, that's how much glitter it had. Like, how are you even supposed to set your face with that? This is my fave powder ever, and I'm just grabbing literally like the tiniest bit. Oh my god, I want to do a TikTok like that where it's like natural makeup, like natural glam, full glam. Bad for me. You know, I already know. I just set my face. I'm gonna leave that there because I have pimples right there. Oh, damn. Oh, sure, I do not match. Alright, let me bronze, because maybe I'm just not bronzed. So I'm using this bronzer. This is the Becca bronzer in Capri Coast. It's a sunlit bronzer. It has like a lot of shimmer in it, and I like it for this. I don't know if you guys can see the shimmers, but I like it for this look just because we're going for a glowy. Why can't I, every time I'm doing my makeup on camera, it just does not come out the way that I want it to. Alright, tan the forehead. Tan the forehead. bronze the forehead. Oh my god. I promise in person this does not look crazy. Why does it? I noticed. Oh my god. Why does my makeup look? I can't do makeup. I actually can. Like, I'm not even trying to say it. Like, a lot of girls be like, I can't do makeup, and they can. I feel like I can do makeup. I think it's just filming. It's what makes me nervous, and I did get a little bit more burnt today. I put blush. My favorite blush ever in the whole wide world. I don't know how it's not finished. I have a little dent right there, but I'm taking this big brush that's also Morphe that I get this one. It's like this, just like a fluffer brush. Powder on my face just to highlight my features. That's gonna make me look more one. I'm cutting the cheekbones because I made a mess. So it's more cinched. I guess I don't like to bake. I don't know, I haven't baked in a long time. All right, next is, we're gonna set the face. I've been using this Fix It Gold Light by MAC. It does add a lot of glitter, I'm not gonna lie. All right, while that sits, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Even though I already did them, I've been using, you see you guys, I've literally been, are you guys proud? I've been using all new products. Like, I've just been doing different. I've been using this e.l.f. brow gel in medium. You guys, this is so good. It's such a lifesaver. I recommend this. I literally, it's like $3 and it's so good. I just use this to comb my eyebrow hairs up, and it just adds more color to it. See, they look more brushed up, more full. That's how we want them. That's how we want them. Now is highlight. I've been using recommended by a lot of YouTubers, Morphe M501 brush for my highlight, and I'm using my favorite that I will never change up. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. And whoa, you guys, oh my god, wait, a little travel tip. I put, my sister actually taught me this, but I put a powder like thing on my powders, so once they're in the luggage they don't like break, and it worked. Shout out to Jasleen M2. Next, I'm gonna do highlight in my inner corner with a smaller brush. More awake. I'm doing it on my eyelash, my eyebrow wound, just like that. And we done. I'm gonna comb out my eyelashes using this little comb. Oh my god, wait, you guys, my eyelashes are dropping once again. If you guys didn't know, I own my own eyelash brand, and we're doing a huge drop right when I get back from Cabo, so make sure you guys check that out. You guys can go check them out at desxmx.com. I only got eyelash extensions for my trip. Like, I'm not a betrayer. I love my eyelashes. We added a new style. It is called Super Cute. If you guys don't know why Super Cute, because every time I do my little Fashion Nova swipe up, everyone's like, it's super cute. Mom was like, let's name it Super Cute. I was like, let's do it, and now that's the name. Haha. Hashtag behind the story, behind the scenes, behind the yeah. I'm gonna do my hair right now. I'm gonna curl it. I washed my hair last night, but I didn't wash it today, only my body, just so that I can curl it. Oh, that was not cute. So I'm parting my hair. I started parting it like kind of on the farther side of my left side. What are we gonna do about this? I'm gonna comb it out a little bit. I'm gonna grab big pieces and just curl it. I didn't do nothing to it. I usually straighten my hair before I curl it, so it's like not as crazy. But we're not doing that today. I don't know how to comb my hair the way it's supposed to be combed with this. So what I just do, I usually just do it like this. This is like a Conair thing. I don't know, it's my mom's. So I just, you see, they're still cute. I like to comb them out with my fingers. Alright, we have 30 minutes to get to leave the hotel because our reservations are at 8:40. But we're gonna miss the sunset by that time, so we want to leave earlier to take some cute flicks, you know what I'm saying? All right, I'll get back to you guys once I'm changed, guys. I should do my hair half up, half down. Alright, I think we're gonna work with the half up, half down. I'm gonna do my lips really quick so you guys can see what my lip combo has been. I'm using the natural lip liner and by NYX, and I'm just lining on my lips. And then I'm taking this NYX powder puff. I'm gonna put on some lip, actually I don't know if I'm gonna do lip gloss, but if I was, it's gonna be the Sugar by Buxom. But I love you guys so much, I'm running late. Okay, hi you guys. So this was the finished look. I ended up doing my hair like a high ponytail. This is the fit. This little two-piece short set from Fashion Nova. It's super cute and super comfortable. I would definitely wear this again. Glam. Hello. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me I did for you guys in Cabo, and I hope you guys really like the products. If you guys try them, make sure to let me know or tag me on Instagram. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for everything.